Okay, the device was already cleaned. We found some corrosion here and there and there. The machine itself works, but we have a problem with the hard drive. We can see already a little bit of liquid here. So we're gonna take that out, disconnect the battery. Gonna have a look at the connector first. You can see we have here on the, that's the chip for the, I don't know if it's a ROM chip for the LAN, but it's near the M.2 connector. We are going to clean that a little bit. And after that, we are going to have a look on the M.2 drive. Let's put that aside. Take this kicker off. Looks okay-ish. Nothing in the back to worry about. Okay, you can see a burnt resistor. Absolutely no clue what this resistor could be, but I'm sure we're gonna find that out. Okay. Okay, we have some sticky junk here, and we have that tiny little resistor, which looks like it's a little bit have gotten too hot. Zoom in. That looks like. I ain't gonna touch anything. Let's do some basic measurements. Diode mode. 0.34, 0.1, 0.3. Oopsie. I love it. Let me fix it a little bit differently. Like that. Okay. 0.2. This line comes from this tiny little chip. What is it? We don't know yet. Could be a feedback line. That is ground. That is 0.4, but it still does not look healthy. Good. We're gonna make some basic cleaning without heat. I want to avoid heat as good as possible. It's just 140 C. Nothing dangerous here with the temperatures. May measure the resistance of this one. I'm going into 2 ohms mode. $2K resistor, or is it 2K? I meant 200K. Did I say 2K? It has now 200K. Let's see if we can find a familiar track here. We also have liquid here. Let's try to clean that. This definitely is making some bad contacts. You should have measured that. Measure that before we can. 0.2, 0.3, 0.3, 0.1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. See if anything changes, just for reference. 0.22, 0.3, 0.1. Okay, not much. 0.2 went a bit up. If I wouldn't be sure, I would test it with something different, but as my setup is not right now, I cannot show you the drive in the Explorer. It still won't be recognized. I have to look around and see if we can find a drive which is nearly the same, and well, exactly the same would be the best, to see what resistor this is, or look in the internet, in any forum. Maybe someone had the exact same thing going on, knows what kind of resistor that is, or is familiar with this board. Power. Turn it on. As I disconnect the battery, it's always making a restart thing. The device is cool yet. This is a SATA M.2. And we also don't have any shorts. I did some basic testing, and yeah, let's just connect it to a computer. Let's see what's happening, how fast it gets recognized. Not recognized. Good. I mean, not good. Okay. Chin comes aside, because this is not our concern. We need the data. You know what? We're gonna heat up this spot just a tiny little bit. There may also be some corrosion underneath this chip. Three. No balls here near under the chip, which is good. And cover the ICs. Just a little bit safer. I'm gonna add a tiny little bit of flux. Going 340, 60 air. It's a little bit coming out. It's a bit unnecessary. Okay. Let's try. That is really tricky. One mega ohm. Yeah. Oh, doesn't say much. Let's keep it aside. Maybe it's just a simple feedback line and we are able to start the machine. Okay, we're back. Had some interruption. We're gonna test that now. The resistor is gone. Maybe we're able to boot from it. Maybe it's not necessary. Could be. Otherwise, we have make some deeper search. And we clean a lot of places here, which also looked very sticky and maybe made not a shorted connection, maybe, but maybe a bad connection to some places, which shouldn't be. So let's try that again. Here we have something. And the Explorer opens. Okay, awesome. That looks very good. I'm gonna disconnect it. Let's make that quick. Battery is disconnected. There may be also a possibility that there is something wrong with the controller, but as it is a cheap machine, we're not gonna spend ages on this. So neither the machine works or not. The customer can get an adapter from us where it can connect it per USB and copy off his drive, his data by himself. Doesn't matter. Let's not talk too much. So the boot should now go fairly a bit quicker. Okay, now it will restart again because we disconnected the battery and it will make a reinitialization. Something like that. 1.3 amps. And we have a circle. Good. Let's see if we can come to the boot screen. I don't know if there are personnel pictures, so I have to hide it. Come on. Still turning. Come on. Come on, give it to me. Screen black. What happened? Nobody knows. Jesus, what a lame machine. Good. The machine doesn't take power, so there are still some issues here. So I've got to connect it twice. And that's it. This is only for the, a name. Gotta turn it off. Yeah, the machine is now off. Good. We have our lights here. Blue light off, now it's charging. That's it. The customer can get his data off. Shouldn't be a big issue. The drive seems to perform normal, and that's it. As I said, normally I would make a backup, but in different cases, scenarios where the customer says, please just make the most necessary, then this is possible. If it's recommended or not, I know that's up to you. I know it's perfect, it's not perfect. I would prefer to make it, but if the customer doesn't want it, wants to get his data by himself, I will tell him that he should turn the machine on, copy everything what you need to an external drive, USB, make a copy of it, and then get a new laptop. Because it's for work, it's a cheap laptop. It has some major liquid damage. It have had some major liquid damage, and it's not worth spending that much time on a cheaper machine. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.